Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to do a lesson on unit fractions. I'm going to explain to you how and what a unit fraction is. So right here is our math message, what we would do in school. So the first thing I'm going to read it. The red circle is the whole. Use your yellow fraction circle pieces to show 3/4. What equation can you write to show 3/4 as the sum of the yellow fraction circle pieces? So I'm going to get my e-kit and let's see, this is e-tools. I'm getting my fraction piece circles. So this is the whole, and here is my yellow pieces. They want to have 3/4. Notice how this is 3/4. So I'm going to write 3/4. Where's the pen? So I have 3/4, and each of these is 1/4. 1/4 is my unit fraction. A unit fraction is any fraction whose numerator, which is a top number, is 1. You cannot go smaller than 1 because then you would have, if it's 0, then it's nothing. So this is my unit fraction. So it could also be 1/5, 1/6, 1/7, and so on. Any fraction where the numerator is 1. Okay, so right here, we have, how many pieces do we have? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. Right there, we are decomposing. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 3/4. You see that? There's 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. We're adding them together. So now we're going to go to, oh, not that page. Sorry. I'm going to go here to help us answer together. And it's going to tell you how many yellows did you use to show 3/4. And as you know, we used 3 yellow pieces. What fraction of the whole is 1 yellow? So 1 yellow, that whole piece was 1/4. And how many fourths did we use? 3/4. And the equation that we wrote was 3/4 equals 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. See how you're adding on the top? 1, 2, 3. And it shows it here. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3/4. And that is our unit fraction. That's our mini lesson right there. And what I wanted to show you was other ways, now that I'm on this board. Let's see if I could write. I gotta get that pen. All right, pen. All right, so I'm just gonna practice a few, and then you're gonna do this on your own. So if I have 2/10, how can we break it up? So we always have 10 on the bottom. So what plus what equals 2? 1 plus 1. So that's one way to do it. We're not going to use 0/10 because that's nothing. So we're never going to use that. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. There's really not another way to do that. Let's look at 5/8. How can we break that up? We could do 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8. I'm going to add the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 5/8. Okay, boys and girls. Now, let's see how we erase this. Oh, erase it. Maybe I'll just go back out. Go back in. Okay. So now I want to show you the last one. We could do 4/5 in 2 ways. 4/5. You could do 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5. Or you could do what? What's 1 plus 1? You could do it 2/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5.